are you aware about the different form of addiction? I feel most of you would not be aware about that. It's the praise addiction. Yes, we want approval. We want a validation from people. We want to be praised or appreciated. That is the basic human desire. People want that attention, people want that appreciation. And you know what? This is the thing which binds us. This is the thing which binds us, because whensoever we want to look cool or we want to be appreciated, we start doing things which people want us to do. And we start ignoring our own desires, our own dreams, our own divine calling, and we become a puppet. So even if people appreciate us, but we are not happy from within, because we are functioning in a way the world is desiring us to be. That's not a pleasant place to be. From outside it may look cool, that yes, he is being liked by everyone or he is being liked by everyone, but just ask that person. Ask yourself. When you put in effort to please everybody, you're not happy, because if you are pleasing everybody, you are not pleasing your own self, your own soul. You are cursing, you are disobeying your own divine creator. People do not know who they are. How can they tell you that you have to be in a certain way? And when we start acting in the way the world desires, that is the sure short way towards misery. So somebody has rightly told that I do not have any pathway to success, but I know one thing. What is the sure short way towards failure? Try to please everybody. Please go do that. So it is so powerful. If we start pleasing everybody, we become miserable. But still we do that. We know this thing as well, but still we do that. So let's understand together, what is that thing which triggers us, which motivates us to behave in a certain way, where we feel that need to be appreciated or accepted. Why we feel that need? You know why? We feel that need because we have not accepted our own self. We do not appreciate our own self. And there is a void inside us. So to fill that void, we seek approval. We want to be praised, to have that validation that yes, I'm on the right path and stuff. And that's why we start behaving in that manner. So what is that action step? What is that thing which we can do about this? First, have that belief, have that confidence in your own self, on your own work, on your own thoughts and everything. That yes, I'm on the right path and I do not need anybody's approval, and my path is unique and I know my way. You can facilitate me, you can help me, but I do not need any approval from you, because that's not your path. I know what I believe in. You do not know. How can you approve me? Or why should I approve you? We can just help each other. We have no right. Only divine has the right to approve or disapprove. We are nobody to judge each other. Our life journey is unique. It's different. So this is the highest form of addiction, praise addiction. And you know what? Not many dreams, not many purpose or desires has been killed by any other thing. No, we all have that potential, we all have that capacity, we all have those ideas. But this one thing, feeling of being accepted, feeling of being praised or appreciated by people, this has murdered, brutally murdered all the dreams, all the desires, all the things which we always wanted to accomplish. And the more we fall into it, the more difficult it is to come out of it. So decide one day, break all the chains, play full on, live fearlessly, live your dreams. That's why we say that you either live your fears or you live your dreams. So decide for yourself. You want to live your fears, you want to live in a constant fear of people judging you, and you are going to do those actions which people expect from you. It's a very serious thing. And it is within all of us, just the degree is different, and that makes all the difference. Can you be like that no matter what people are going to tell me, I'm going to do what I want to do? Can you be like that? Ask yourself this question. Why you feel a need to be appreciated? Why you feel a need to be, feel approved by people? They don't know themselves. You know yourself better. So create that connection with yourself. Create that connection with divine. If you have understood this deeply and thoroughly, it's gonna bring a huge paradigm shift in your life, in your mind, and all the areas of your being. Just watch this video once again and contemplate and write in a diary today. What is that thing which is stopping me from living a life which I want to live? Just ask yourself this question. Why I want approval? Just ask few of such questions and keep everything aside. Everything. Just be with your own self and ask this question. It's very powerful and it's worth it. I have done that and I keep doing it again and again. And it is helping me and it is going to help you as well. So let's grow together in this journey of life and use maximum to achieve our full potential in this one lifetime. Lots of love and blessings to you. If you have any concerns, any queries, any doubt, just feel free to reach out to me. I have attached my handles. You can message me anywhere and I'll be there for you. Thank you so much for watching this video. And if you liked it, just share it with the world and create a wave of positivity across the globe. And before you go, just subscribe to this channel and share it with everybody. Bye bye.